Have you ever felt like you're drowning in spreadsheets, constantly refreshing competitors' websites, and still somehow always finding out about their price drops after it's too late? If you're nodding your head right now, you're definitely not alone, my friend. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I went from spending 12 hours a week on price monitoring to having it completely automated in under 30 minutes. Here's the dark side that nobody talks about in e-commerce. While you're manually checking prices, your competitors are eating your lunch. Think about it. You wake up Monday morning, grab a coffee, and start your weekly ritual of opening 20 browser tabs. You're copying and pasting prices into spreadsheets, trying to remember what everyone charged last week. And by the time you finished, 3 of your competitors have already dropped their prices below yours. Your phones start to buzz with customer complaints about being overpriced, and your profit margins are bleeding out faster than you can say conversion rate. I remember sitting at my desk at 2 in the morning, eyes burning from staring at the screen, trying to update pricing for 300 products before the morning rush. My lady came in asking if I'm coming to bed, and I just looked at her with a defeated expression and said I have 4 more hours of price checking to go. That's when that shit hit me. I wasn't running a business anymore. The business was damn near running me. The killer isn't even the time you're wasting, man. It's the opportunities you miss. While you're stuck in analysis paralysis, wondering if that competitor's 20% discount is permanent or temporary, they're capturing your customers. Your Amazon listings are losing the buy box. Your Shopify store is getting fewer clicks because Google Shopping shows you're overpriced. You're playing a game where everyone else has real-time information, and you're operating with a week-old data. But here's where everything flipped for me and why I'm making this Pricefy review today. 3 months ago, I discovered this dynamic pricing tool that completely transformed how I handle competitor pricing monitoring. Pricefy isn't just another price tracking software. It's like having a team of analysts working around the clock, but instead of costing you $50,000 in a salary, it starts at $99 a month. Here's what makes Pricefy different from every other price intelligence software I've ever tried. First, the AI product matching is scary accurate. I upload my product feed, and within minutes, it's automatically finding and matching my products with competitors across 125,000 stores. No more guessing if that similar looking product is actually the same SKU. The system knows. Second, the dynamic repricing rules are where the magic happens. Instead of manually adjusting prices, I set rules once. If my main competitor's price drops below mine, Pricefy automatically adjusts mine to stay competitive while protecting my minimum margins. If someone goes out of stock, it raises my price to catch the maximum profits. It's like having a pricing strategist who never sleeps, never makes a mistake, and never goes on vacation. The real-time alerts have saved my business countless times. Last month, a competitor tried to undercut me by 30% on my best-selling product. Within 5 minutes, I got an alert on my phone. I was able to respond immediately, instead of finding out 3 days later when my sales had already tanked. That single alert saved me over $2,000 in lost revenue. Anyone doing the map monitoring, this tool is absolutely essential. Brand manufacturers trust me more because I can prove I'm enforcing minimum advertised prices across all channels. The detailed reports show exactly who's violating map policies and when, which has strengthened my relationship with suppliers and secured better wholesale terms. Look, 3 months ago, I was that stressed out entrepreneur, hunched over spreadsheets, constantly worried about pricing, always feeling like I'm behind. I was reactive, not strategic. My team was spending 20 hours a week on pricing research instead of growing the business. Today, I wake up to a comprehensive pricing report in my inbox. My products automatically adjust to the market conditions while I sleep. I'm making pricing decisions based on real data, not my gut feeling. My profit margins have increased by 15% because I'm no longer panic dropping prices without understanding the full competitive landscape. Most importantly, I have my time back. I'm present with my family instead of being married to my computer screen. The numbers speak for themselves. Pricefy monitors over 8 million URLs across their network. Their customers report being 10 times faster at price optimization compared to manual methods, while competitors like Intelligence Node charges nearly $1,000 a month. Pricefy delivers the same functionalities starting at $99. Their customer support actually responds within hours, not days. And they're constantly rolling out improvements based on user feedback. But here's the thing about automating repricing and e-commerce pricing strategies. The longer you wait to implement proper competitive price monitoring, the more money you're leaving on the table. Every day you're manually tracking prices is another day your competitors are gaining ground with better data and faster responses. If you're serious about taking control of your pricing strategy, Pricefy offers a free plan that covers 50 SKUs and 3 competitors. That's enough to test the system and see immediate results without any financial commitment. Here's exactly what I want you to do right now. Go to pricefy.io, sign up for a free account, upload your product feed, set one simple repricing rule, and watch what happens over the next week. Guarantee you'll see opportunities you've been missing and wonder why you waited so long to automate this crucial part of your business. Stop letting manual price tracking control your life. Your future self and your business will thank you for it. Stay dangerous. I'm out.